need to do is open a blank Excel sheet, which I'm doing right now. And now this is your working document. So what do I want to do with this? I would like to keep track of my employees' time off. So we're going to start with name, because we need to know who this belongs to. So John Smith is the first person. And John Smith has 5 days of personal time. And in addition to that, he has 5 days of vacation. So the next thing I would like to add here to this is I want to put under personal time the date this person is taking off or have requested, and then how many days is this person taking off.